Second. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going up. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going down. Please stand clear of the closing doors. Going up. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going down. Going up.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is
Second.
not in service.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Doors closing.
First floor. Please stand clear of the closing door. First, please stand clear of the closing door. Going up. Please stand clear of the closing door. Second floor. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going down. Stand clear of the closing door. Going down. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going up. Please first stand clear of the closing door. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going down. Going up. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going up. Second. Second. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going
Doors
down.
closing.
Going down. Please stand clear of the closing door. First floor.
Doors closing.
Going up. Second. Ground floor. Please stand clear of the second floor.
Doors closing.
Going down.
Lift going up.
First floor. Second floor.
Doors closing.
Doors
Going
closing.
up.
Lift going down.
Second floor. Ground floor.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Going down. First floor. Second floor.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
Doors closing.
Ground floor.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Second floor. Going up.
Doors closing. Lift going
Second
down.
floor. Ground floor.
Doors closing.
Going down.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
First floor.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed
Second floor.
At this time.
First floor.
Doors closing.
Doors closing.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Lift going down.
Ground floor.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Stand clear of the closing door. Second floor. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going down. First floor. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going up. Second floor. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going down. First floor. Please stand clear of the closing door. Going up. Second floor.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Ground floor.